Hey, how's it going? So I was playing with the Dall-E image creation here. One interesting thing about Dall-E is if you give it a simple prompt, it'll expand it into a larger prompt in order to draw a scene. If I wanted to reduce variance between things, say if I were trying to make a custom Rosetta Stone software or something like that, so yeah, big cartoon style dog with bright red fur sitting happily in an urban living room, and then small cartoon style dog with purple fur sitting happily in an urban living room. So basically the same thing, but the size is different and the color is different. You could have four of these, and then have the user say, okay, choose the large dog, choose the orange dog. Oh, you know what? Let's make a yeah, medium-sized cartoon-style dog with orange fur. And you got to be careful because, I mean, some people are red-green colorblind, so you can't just ignore that if you're making a program, especially if you do something like gated progression, where like literally you can't progress unless you get something done. I mean, it's just something to be on your mind. I'm not saying that you're going to be perfect, but you should think about it. So, orange, that was kind of a more natural orange color than I was imagining. What color haven't I done yet? Red, purple, orange. Black. Where's the color? Okay, black. Yeah, a gerbil-sized, tiny, cartoon style. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what this does. And I think that if you had 4 panels, you really could use this to teach different adjectives. I was thinking generating some dialogues. Part of the problem that I run into pretty much every time I've tried to do this is if you create the most common list of the most common words in the English language, sure, you'll get one, but there's no context. If a, the, in, of, with, you can't make a sentence with that. And so what I was thinking is maybe we could choose a topic. And I mean, I don't do sales, I don't do marketing, but I understand that maybe I could relate to somebody's like love of animals to get them to do one lesson. And then you know what, if they like it, then they can continue on from there. So I was thinking, what if the very first unit, because every single language program in the world, the first unit is meeting and greeting, two professionals, and it's just kind of boring, you know? Well, regardless of whether it's boring or not, it's been done. So, I mean, if somebody wants that, they can go do Pimsleur. That's fine. And you know, if I'm making a program, it's not trying to replace Pimsleur. It would be a supplement. I really like these. I really like Dall-E. I was a big fan of Stable Diffusion, but I can't claim that Stable Diffusion can compete with this. This is just churning out really high quality stuff. Where was it? Dog. It's got to be in here. I'm just like being stupid. Oh, it's higher up. Ask if somebody has a dog. So when you want to ask somebody if they have a dog, there are several common polite ways. Here are some examples. Do you have a dog? Are you a dog owner? I noticed something that implies that they might have a dog. I love dogs, and I was wondering if you had any. Oh, wait, sorry. If you have any. You know, I would say if you had any, but what do I know? English is just my native language. Do you have any pets? Like a dog, perhaps? I'm looking for advice on dog-friendly places around here. Do you have a dog? Okay. Actually, I'm kind of curious about the ChatGPT text-to-speech. Let's try this here. Let's go. Show me Python code for using the OpenAI text-to-speech engine to generate and save a sample sentence to disk. It can be either WAV or MP3. To use the OpenAI text-to-speech to generate and save a spoken sample of a sentence to either you can follow these steps in Python. Please note that you'll need the OpenAI and PyDub Python packages. Do I have PyDub? That is an excellent question. Terminal. I guess I already have it. Alright, OpenAI microstories. Where is this? I've got way too much crap here. I'm sorry, they just changed my IDE. Like, I was very comfortable, and I don't see how this is supposed to be better. OpenAI text-to-speech, right? Yeah, now we're going to have... we don't need any of this. We just need the thing that gets the OpenAI key. Wow, I didn't realize that was redundant. That looks kind of stupid. Okay. API... Yeah, no, I got that. So let's copy the code, and let's see if it works. All right. Is not listed in your... Oh, I don't care. Shut up. All right. Hello. Do you have a dog? I don't mind using AI voices as long as they can sound somewhat believable. You know? First off, let's get a baseline here. So, dashboard, sandbox, projects, learning, characters, name. Do you have a dog? Select a character. I thought I did. Persuasive. It's kind of painful how slow this is. I wish it were faster.
Do you have a dog?
I don't know what port is already in use. New version. Oh my god. Furious, pleading. None of these are the right emotions. I might have to choose a different character.
Do you have a dog?
Okay, happy. That's probably more what I was going for. It's a different voice, though. Oh, this delay is painful.
Do you have a dog?
Do you have a dog? What accent? Is that Irish? Why is this angry? Cannot find a reference. Create class. Pip upgrade OpenAI. Update. Oh, for hell's... Oh. What the hell? I hate to be this dependent. What is the pip command for upgrading a package? Example, OpenAI. Now you can see how often I do this. Actually, usually if I want a specific package version, I'll just put it inside of the requirements file. So, yeah, you know what? Maybe my ignorance is completely justified. Pip's dependency resolver does not currently take into account all packages. I have too recent a version of NumPy. Ugh. Let's see if this worked. Well, at least it resolved that. So, format. I can just specify the format. I mean, I would rather it be an MP3, I guess. Well, let's see if it works at all. So, let's run this and see it fail gloriously. OpenAI has no attribute text-to-speech. Interesting. Why is it going so slow? Chat completion function gone. Audio object has no... Okay. Chat. I don't want chat completion. I want text-to-speech. Annoying. OpenAI text-to-speech API. I've used it before. I've heard it. The audio API provides a text-to-speech endpoint based on our text-to-speech model. It comes with 6 built-in voices and can be used to narrate.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This simple fact has been observed by humans for thousands of years.
All right. Generate spoken audio from input text. Let's try this instead. Okay. Let's just see if this works. Starting to piss me off. The API key client option must be set either by passing API key to the client or by setting the OpenAI key environment variable. OpenAI, client audio text speech create. What is going on here? Client.API key equals I mean, obviously it needs a key, but the API key client option must either be set. Okay. I don't feel very competent right now. When I run this code, where's my code? I get this error. Wait, client equals OpenAI. I don't need help. API key equals helps if you just look at the error for a second. Did it generate it? Speech.mp3. Could it possibly be that fast? Oh, for hell's sake.
Today is a wonderful day to build something people love.
That sounds really good. Honestly, that's some of the best TTS I've heard. Does it do foreign languages? Il n'y a plus de what? Come on. I'm never gonna get used to that. The hell is that? Oh, that's my video from earlier. I guess I closed the Explorer window. Open in Explorer.
Il n'y a plus d'eau.
Il n'y a plus d'eau. All right. Okay, it does French, it does English. Sounds pretty good to me. Now, what I wanted to know is, do you have a dog? Every time I close it. Explorer.
Do you have a dog?
Do you have a dog? It does seem like it's speaking kind of fast. But I mean, if you compare that with the Google TTS, generate. Yeah, let's just see if we put it in here. Oh wow, I did a big old batch last time. Okay, so yeah, do you have a dog? We can compare it with the Google publicly available TTS system. GTTS, do you have a dog? Do you have a death wish? Okay, open in some weird shit in here.
Do you have a dog?
Yeah. I think the ChatGPT one wins.
Do you have a dog?
Even if they are on meth. You can probably tell it to slow down. All right. Okay, that sounds pretty good. So, what I wanted to do is I wanted to generate some sample sentences or sample dialogue specifically about owning a pet. And I looked it up. It's dog, cat, and I can't remember if it's fish or bird that's next. But you know what? It doesn't matter because we can do all four. So, do you have a dog? Do you have a cat? Do you have a fish? Do you have a bird? And then what is it? Is it noisy? You know, there's vocabulary surrounding this, and it's a lot easier if you're doing a similar dialogue every time to make sure that you're reviewing the content organically rather than forcing people to review the same sentences over and over again. Now, I have ultimately concluded that there's no way to completely avoid that. Okay, maybe there's a way to completely avoid that, but it doesn't seem like there's a reasonable or easy way to avoid that. And I'm more interested in getting something turned out than spending the next 6 months saying it's got to be perfect, it's got to be perfect, got to be perfect, and then not ever generating anything. So, yeah, and I can play with the different models in here. So, I need to close this. This is way too many files. Okay, so... generate stories. OpenAI micro stories. So let's say Spacey. So we're loading Spacey. GPT 3.5 Turbo. What are we using Spacey for, though? Okay, I mean we are using it here, but you know what? I don't really want to deal with that right now. So let's ignore Spacey for now. What the hell? Let's ignore Spacey for now and see if we can generate a story here. Where is the output? Where is it going to write the file? Okay, so ask GPT, and then it's going to append to log and print. But is it going to write to like a file? Aha, raw stories. Okay, I think that we need our own new folder here. So instead of raw stories, it's going to be new directory pet stories. All right. So instead of raw stories, it's going to be pet. Oh, autocomplete is nice. All right, now write a 4-line dialogue where the first line is, do you have a dog? That a second grader could understand. Okay, so let's see what this does here. Now, qualifiers, we're not actually using that right now. So just blank, and let's see what it gives us. Oh, what the hell just happened? You tried to access OpenAI chat completion, but this is no longer supported. I don't want to automatically migrate. Completion. Well, it would appear that my code is crap. Alright. Oh, it's reading all of the old stories. Oh, I don't want it to do that either. Alright. Where did I don't want to delete the code that got the key. Okay. show me code to ask ChatGPT 3.5 a question and get a response. I guess we're starting from scratch again. So it's no longer called chat completion, it's just called dot completion. Can I take off the max tokens, or can I just set it really high? Probably. Okay, what is the... Can I remove the max tokens parameter? I want it to be as long as it thinks necessary. You can remove the max tokens parameter from the API call. However, it's important to note that if you do not specify the max token, it will use the default value. $4,096. Indeed, 16 is not long enough. Okay, so let's go back here. $4,096. What is the capital of France? Run. What the hell? Read me. Okay, chat completion, chat completions dot create role. You know what? This is what I was using this in some other place. Okay. I do not want asynchronous usage. Annoying, annoying, annoying. All right. Oh, crap. Where's the... API key equals... you see, it's a good thing I blocked that out, isn't it? Close you. This is definitely a new interface, but that's okay because we are adaptable. All right, user, role, content. What is the capital of France? Print chat completion response. Come back. Stream. I don't want to stream. Actually, that would be good if I wanted an interactive thing, but I don't right now. The API is the same. Completion.choices 0 message.content. So I guess that's what I want. Dot choices 0 dot message. Okay, it's the same. Yeah. Get rid of the CEO, and this is what happens. Okay. So, where were we? Write a simple 4-line dialogue that a second grader could understand, starting with the first person saying, do you have a dog? All right, let's see what it does. This is definitely taking longer than I expected. Okay, it's officially taking long enough that it seems like something is broken. You saw how quickly it responded before, right? Oh, here we go. Do you have a dog? No, I don't. Do you? Yes, I have a cute little puppy. That's awesome. What's your puppy's name? All right. So we want to write to log, append to log, and print. So, yeah. I don't know why I hesitated. Append to log and print, and then the file path is OpenAI log. Question and response. So question is, well, first off, let's ask GPT prompt wait. This is the wrong file. Well, now I'm angry. All right. So we're going to have ask GPT and then prompt. And then here, append to log and print. Question, prompt. Okay, so basically doing exactly the same thing that I did before, and then response is going to be this. And we are going to append to log and print the response. So question and answer, is that answer? Answer, yeah, okay. So run. There's nothing to run. So content equals prompt. And here we go. Write a simple 4-line dialogue that a second grader could understand, starting with the first person saying, do you have a dog? Do you have a dog? No, I don't have a dog. Oh, that's okay. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Awesome. I think this is exactly what I want. So for I in range 100, Let's do a power of 2. 128. Now, these might get a little bit repetitive, but let's see what it does. Actually, I think I can ask for multiple responses. That's what this choices thing is here. Numbers, choices, response format. Come on. I wonder if they're still being DDoSed. I know that was a thing that was going on. Stop, stop, stop. I mean, the entire idea was that this was supposed to be fast. If it's not fast, then it's boring. Okay. Where's my read single ZST file? Let's see what people say about... No, I don't, but I have a cat. Oh, that's cool. I like cats too. Yeah, they're fun to play with. Alright, then it's on to the next one. Hey, do you have a dog? No, I don't have a dog. Oh, I love dogs. They're so playful and fun. Yeah, dogs are great. Maybe one day I'll get one. See, I can find out vocabulary specific for discussing pets this way. Let's make sure that it's actually writing to the log, since I did kind of OpenAI log. Okay, sweet. No, I don't have a dog. That's okay. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. All right. So, where was I? I was supposed to have a read single ZST file. So this should be able to find text. We are looking for I have a dog. Okay. Do it counter. I don't want a counter. No counter. All tokens. Oh, God. When you do it this way, it's very, very slow. It's like n squared. So do it line items. So I would like to convert this so that I'm just reading the individual lines. Line, read lines. Go to declaration. Okay, so we are splitting by \n, and then we're returning individual lines. I don't want to split. What happens if we don't split? Then how long is it? Decompress file, read line ZST. How about read whole ZST? No, I think this is supposed to... I think that every line in the ZST file is separated by one of these, so getting rid of that is not going to do what we want it to do. Show me the length of the line. So for read line ZST, print length of line. That lines plus equals 1. If lines is greater than 100, then break. I want to see how big these are. Oh, sweet. Do you have a dog? I have a cute little pup. Wow, what's their name? His name is Buddy. He's super friendly. I love dogs. Can I come play with Buddy sometime? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's fine. That's fine. ChatGPT 3.5 is not nearly as good at following directions on number of lines, but I don't care. Alright, so let's see what this does here. Okay, so some of these are quite long. Look at this. This is 13 kilobytes, 3.5 kilobytes, 57. Alright. Okay, so what I would like to see is I would like to see things of the format a or the blank dog. It can be one word, 2 words. Let's just start with one word. So, not so great with regex. All right. So, yeah. Where's my ChatGPT? So, I have this loop here, which will be looking at data in chunks less than 16 kilobytes. I want to search line. I want to search the string line for things of the form a blank dog or the. In other words, an article, the, followed by a single word, followed by the word dog. And return all instances from each line. Is regex best for this? Produce a Python example. Not so great with regex. This was helpful. I didn't need that, but find dog phrases. A, the, plus word, and dog. How can I modify the regex so that dog is its own word and not the beginning of a new word? All right. Okay, I think I can put the word boundary before the article as well. Okay, so let's copy this here. Find dog phrases from string. Yeah. RE, we'll go ahead and import this. I think that's the one I want. I think we'll go like that. For line in, no. Line equals S. Okay, find dog phrases and line. And then, same as before, if lines read is greater than, I don't know, 500, then break. Alright, let's see if this does anything. Index out of range. Oh. It didn't print anything. Let's say, there is no all tokens. So run. Please find something. I want you to find something. Maybe it's angry about the word boundary. I went and messed with it. The blank dog. Oh, it returns the phrases. Oh, it returns the phrases, but it doesn't print the phrases. Phrases equals, and then print phrases. Okay. If phrases, then print phrases. Run. The, the. Good God. You know what? Screw it. I don't know what the hell that's doing. So I'm going to the dot star. No, it has to be letters plus dog. The something dog. We'll try the stupid word boundary. Oh, I think I was doing a single backslash before. That could have been screwing it up. Let's see what this does. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. The castle dog, the wee dog, the barking dog, the two dog, the numerous dog. Does this work with word boundaries? Because I was expecting dogs. How did it not find? Oh, because it ends with dog. I get it. That's why we have the two dog. Because it was originally the two dogs, but we didn't match. Got it. See, I'm learning. All right, let's see here. This is not working. Can I not use word boundaries like this? You're correct that the word boundaries are used in regex to ensure that the pattern matches the complete word, but it seems that there's an issue with how you've written the regular expression. Does the R make the backslash be interpreted as literal? Yeah, maybe I was wrong when I thought that it was supposed to have been escaped. Let's just try it directly. Run. And look, the two dog is gone, because it's the two dogs. Alright. it seems to be doing much better. The wee dog, the barking dog, the dead dog, the corn dog, the good dog. The first dog, the only dog, the best dog, the great dog, the smaller dog, the big dog. You know what? I think that we could remove this limit and we could just run it on everything. Also, for P in phrases, print P. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, everything should have exactly p.count. It doesn't know it's a string. Whatever. Equals 2. There should always be exactly 2 spaces, which means that we can extract the middle word. First off, let's see if it's going to get angry. We can figure out which words are going in the middle here and make some sort of a, model of what's going to be the most useful. So let's put a counter here. Let's say counter, let's say modifier equals counter. And then we're going to say middle word equals p dot split space of 1. That'll get the middle word out, obviously. And then modifier is going to be modifier middle word. Let's see. Equals this plus 1. Okay, clearly this is going to take a while. So I think that having the limit in here is probably a good thing. If lines read is greater than 50,000, then break. I mean, eventually we could run it on the entire curriculum, but our corpus, not curriculum, excuse me. But if I were going to do that, I would be using the read every ZST file and spinning up like 30 different processes. So this is just for experimentation over here right now. So yeah, now when we get down here, we'll want to see what the most common are. So items equals modifier dot, well, items. I don't think that's how we want to do it. Okay. So it's going to be value comma key. Let's do negative value comma key for key comma value in modifiers. That'll give us the most common ones first. Oh, it's mad because I didn't make it a tuple. Now items dot sort, and now we should be able to look at the first, well, for v comma k in items. Let's do it like this. Let's say print negative v tab k. And that way everything will be on its own line, and that'll give us a nice little concise breakdown. I think that we should have a separate article here, and then it goes right here. So article, yeah. So for art in a comma the line C, and then we're going to have line equals line C dot lower. And I don't think we need to print out every single time. article. And let's just see what that gives us here. So we're just looking for the most common. Where's my output? Oh no, I didn't limit it. I meant to limit it to like the top 100 or something. Well, this is just going to be ridiculous. We should probably stop this. Also, I think we're looking at too many. Items.sort, and then 0 to 100. Still taking a while here. I wonder what that other process is doing. How do I switch? Aha. Not very many. Got stuck pretty quick. Do you have a dog? I have a cute puppy. Is that like literally where we ended off? Let's kill this one. Okay, this should not be taking this long. This is strange. Maybe this is more intensive than I thought. Well, I mean, we were finding tons of results. I've limited the lines red here, so... Oh, look. Look what happened. This needs to be out here. 50,000 is probably fine. How did it get indented like that? Hey, where's my tokens? There were no tokens? Print P. Oh. Shut up. Okay. Okay, now it's working. Hate it when stuff doesn't work the first time. We probably don't need 100. Let's just do 20. And just testing it, so 5,000. Let's see what it gives us. Good dog, corn dog, not quite what I was going for. Hot dog, shaggy dog, stray dog, young dog, affable dog. These numbers are pretty low here. I wonder how many total lines there are. 50, 1, 2, 3, 50,000. That's my bad here. Okay, lazy dog, by far the most common. Hot dog, good dog, little dog, barking dog, black dog, dead dog, hunting dog, old dog, ranch dog, stray dog, big dog, first dog, hound dog, mad dog, small dog, corn dog, guard dog only, and police. Okay, so, and it took 7.7 seconds. So, let's see if we split it up to different animals. So, for animal in, so obviously dog, cat, fish, and bird. I almost went too far. Starting to understand how that happened, I think. Okay, the. So, find dog phrases, and it's going to be find animal phrases. Animal phrases, and then just, I don't know, Annie. Hey, we figured out what the what the R here does. Actually, there's something like that in C#, and I wished it had been in Python, and so I wish that I knew that a long time ago. So I feel kind of silly now. Find animal phrase. Oh, right. So, article, animal, and I would like to expand this to 2 or maybe even 3 things, but just for the purpose of illustration. So let's see what it gives us. What are some good vocabulary for talking about animals that are commonly pets? Now, we multiplied this by 4, and it was taking 7, let's just round it up to 8 seconds, so it's probably going to take about 32 seconds. Now, it doesn't have to do the I/O again, so maybe it won't be that. Lazy, black, little, small, big, good, blue, hot, dead, early, gray, large, few, male, old, rumble, tiny, first, real, stray. I think that this is a huge success. And we should expand it to 2 phrases. Let's see what the 2 phrases are. Big. You know what? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm going there. I went there. What are you going to do about it, huh? Space is permitted. Comma is permitted. Let's see if that works. Now, obviously, this splitting mechanism is not going to work. So we want to... We want to find the first space. Yeah. I think this assert... no. Assert p dot count of space is greater than 2. Now we're going to have p list equals, obviously, list of p. Now, while p underscore list of 0 does not equal space, p underscore list, this is probably going to slow it down quite a bit. Let's reduce this while we're trying to figure it out. What did I say? Okay, p list dot pop 0. And then while p list -1 does not equal, then p list dot pop -1. Or no, sorry. And then just like this and like this. Okay, now it's no longer a middle word, it's now a middle phrase. And dot join of p list. Middle phrase, middle phrase. So let's find out what the phrases are. The and a. Oh dear. P dot count is greater than or equal to 2. My bad. That was definitely a my bad thing. Okay. Good, few, hot, better understanding of, the better understanding of fish. Okay, I guess. The shaggy dog, the stray dog, the tiny, the user to use the maybe I maybe I made a mistake here. Let's not talk about that anymore. Okay. This is way too long. let's do CNT equals, I don't know, p.count. Okay, so we assert that it's greater than or equal to 2 if CNT is greater than, how many middle words do we want? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 max, right? So that'd be 6. If count is, that's too many. If it's greater than 5, then we continue. Not break, we continue. Because look at this. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I don't know how long this is going to take. My apologies if it takes like several minutes or something. Nice weather we're having. Okay. The lazy, black, little, small, blue, early, good, hot, dead, big, gray, male, rumble. The rumble fish? The rumble dog? A rumble dog? I don't know what that means. A few... Yeah, fish is plural. Fish can be plural or singular. That's annoying. Maybe this is throwing us off here. Dog, cat, bird. A or the. I want more. Give me more. And then... yeah, we do make it lowercase. Article, animal. I could probably have it search for either article at the same time. That should literally speed it up by a factor of 2. Just because it was being weird the first time. Not as many sentences about dogs, cat, and birds as I thought. Well, I'm only looking for things if there's a word in the middle. So it's pretty normal in speech to say, I have a dog, he is big and red. Yeah, well, I mean, I don't know how common that is, but the structure is common. Hot dog, lazy dog, early dog, black dog, blue dog, little dog, big dog, small dog, dead dog, good dog, young dog, great dog, gray dog, large dog, mad dog, real dog, stray dog, dog or? Well, a dog or cat. Okay, I can see that, yeah. I mean, obviously we'd remove that, but sure. Male dog, other dog. Oh, an other dog. Anne. I wasn't thinking about Anne. Let's see if we can fix this here. What did it look? What was it? A, Anne, the. Right? Is that how it works? Then there is no article. Back in 42 seconds. I wonder what kind of speed up we would get from that. Well, assuming it even works. I deleted 2 zeros, so let's run. CNT is greater than 2. Probably not good. Greater than or equal to 2. All right. I have screwed something up again. Okay, let's look at the first example that it gave us. The. Do I have to escape that? I don't think so. Okay. When count is not greater than 2, what is it that we are looking at? So, show us. Run. A. Oh. I really hate regex. This is matching A, but I didn't want it to match A. It needs to be part of a larger sentence. If you want the regular expression to match, pattern is followed by a word and then the name of the animal, which I assume is represented. It is. You should adjust your pattern to ensure it does not start or end at the word boundary. What in God's name? You know what? Let's see if it works. I'm perfectly fine being ignorant of regular expressions if this just works. And it doesn't. Of course it doesn't. The bar. I guess ChatGPT isn't the solution for everything. Regex parentheses example. Okay, go away. Yeah, parentheses escapes a single opening parentheses, literal. Capture a group. I'm not trying to capture a group, I'm just trying to have an either or. Yeah. Either or substring in regex. How to match either or with regex. Job title. The or a. No. Okay. Okay, I could get ridiculous. Fine. You want to get ridiculous? Let's get ridiculous. Go back to what we had. B. So word boundary. T. H. A or E. Plus. All right. And it's on the word boundary. Give it to me, baby. The affable. The barking. Okay, so it is working. Alright. I took away 2 of these. I don't even remember how many seconds it was now. I want to say it was 47 seconds. I might be thinking of the wrong thing, though. Nothing was over a minute. It's only 11:43. I thought it was like 2 a.m. Okay. Interesting. I was expecting 2-word combinations to appear. They're obviously able to appear, but they don't do so very often. What if we forced it to be 2? A to Z plus, and then A to Z plus. And we tolerate a comma, but don't require one. God, I hate regular expressions. What is this? Alright, this takes just long enough to be annoying. I guess it is searching 100,000 texts, and it returned nothing. Alright, why did it return nothing? Did I screw this up? I had 2 spaces. That's probably what the problem was. I don't think... Actually... Let's see if that works. Phrases. You cannot access free variable phrases when it's associated with a value. My bad. Okay, so we are looking at 10,000. The can of. Kitchen eating. A kitchen eating dog. Quick white dog. That's more like in line. A farmer with dog. First time dog. Hairless female. You know what? I need to see what's being output here because this seems kind of weird. A large black cat. Okay, that's, yeah. A can of dog. The sweetest, gentlest dog. Why is that not appearing? Well, let's get it back up to 33 and see what it kicks back. Maybe the problem is that the sample size is too low. "33 seconds seems like an eternity." Okay. Where was my usage? www.openai.com. Should already be logged in. Don't click that. Alright. Oh no. Not 2 cents. Anything but that. Okay. Dog or cat? A quantum Cheshire cat? What? Can of... What? Oh, I know what this is saying. A can of dog food. A species of dog. Dog and cat. German Shepherd dog. Most common. Snake-eating dog. Can of dog does not make sense, but can of dog food does make sense. Probably worth keeping in mind. Okay. I think I was wrong. I think I want one word. That's a good starting point. Big dog, little dog, fast dog, shy dog. And if we exclude fish, then we don't have to worry about the plural getting in there. Lazy dog. You see, this is good because I probably wouldn't have thought to include lazy. Lazy dog, black dog, little dog, blue dog, hot dog, early dog, early worm, early cat. That doesn't seem like it makes much sense. Gray dog, big dog, good dog, small dog, dead dog. We can probably leave that out of a fun first introductory English lesson. Large dog, male dog. This would be hard to represent with a picture. Old dog, stray dog, barking dog, dodo dog. No. First dog, hunting dog, mad dog. All right. Let's expand this. I really hate waiting, but I mean, if I were to run this on every file, I probably wouldn't record myself doing that. But you don't actually need to run it on every file. A single one of these CST files is quite large. I don't know exactly how many entries it has in it, but it's like 20 times larger or something like that, just based on the amount of time it takes to parse. This is pretty much the same output. I don't think I'm going to make much more progress tonight. Anyways, good night.